On the other hand, the mastermind of the 1993 Mumbai serial blast, Dawood Ibrahim, will celebrate his 60th birthday today. India Today has learned that Dawood will host a grand party in Karachi, where over 600 people have been invited.
He's India's most wanted terrorist, mastermind of the 1993 Mumbai serial blast, which claimed more than 250 lives. Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar is fully enjoying Pakistan's patronage. As he turns 60 today, the underworld Don has planned a big birthday bash. Documents accessed exclusively by India Today clearly show that preparations for India's enemy number one's 60th birthday have been on for a while, with over 600 people invited. According to the report, several high-ranking officers from Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence are among those invited. Invitations have also been sent out to some MPs of Nepal. The underworld Don's henchmen from Dubai, Kenya and London are also likely to attend, as are Dawood's relatives from Mumbai.
Dawood Ibrahim can do nothing without Pakistan government's help. Let's be very clear. Pakistan has never admitted that Dawood is in Pakistan, though everybody knows that he is very much there. So there has to be political will, and I take it for, I think it's very obvious and clear that Pakistan will never admit that Dawood is in Pakistan, and it is in the interest of the Pakistan government that we don't get Dawood, and they will ensure that we don't get even his dead body.
You and I have the information right now only speaks the kind of work the intelligence of this country is doing. That the intelligence of this country has an eye, a watchful eye rather I should say, on Dawood Ibrahim and his movement. Only points to the fact that this government is absolutely serious about Dawood Ibrahim. When Dawood realized that Modi was to become the Prime Minister of India, there was a sense of fear in Dawood, and Dawood had to change his address.
But despite such strong evidence of Dawood's presence in Pakistan, Islamabad continues to be in denial mode.
दाऊद तो आपके शहरी हैं, दाऊद आपके शहरी हैं, और अगर आपको याद हो इस साल के शुरू में आपकी अपनी हुकूमत ने ये कहा कि हमें नहीं मालूम कि दाऊद इब्राहिम कहाँ है। अब आपकी अपनी इतनी मुताजादात किस्म की स्टेटमेंट्स आती हैं, तो आप किस तरह ये कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं कि वो पाकिस्तान में है?
Pakistan continues with its policy of bleeding India with 1,000 cuts. But what is going to touch a raw nerve with the people of India is that Dawood, the most wanted man in India, is celebrating a lavish birthday party on his 60th in Pakistan or perhaps in Dubai. That he continues to have a lifestyle which is obviously for those people who've been suffering, not just for Bombay blast but many other terror attacks that Dawood is involved in. With camera person Sanjay Khan, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
India's most wanted terrorist, Dawood Ibrahim, is expected to announce his successor today. India Today has learned that the underworld Don is likely to hand over reins of his business to his younger brother, Anis Ahmed.
The 1993 Mumbai serial blast mastermind Dawood Ibrahim is likely to be succeeded by one of his brothers, and Anis Ahmed is the front-runner. Dawood's trusted lieutenant Chota Shakil, often referred to as the gang CEO, is most likely to retain his position in the D Company. Dawood has decided that his failing health will not allow him to help the D Company's $10 billion multinational empire of drugs, betting, hawala and arms smuggling. His business empire straddles UAE, India and Pakistan.
As far as I know, Dawood Ibrahim is not resident in Pakistan. He visits Pakistan.
After the death of his brother Nurul Haq alias Noora and deportation of Iqbal Kaskar from Dubai, Dawood now has three brothers living with him, Anis, Humayun and Mustaqim. While Humayun and Mustaqim are not very active in the gang's activities, Anis, who along with Shakil runs the gang's day-to-day operations.
मुझे इस चीज़ में बहुत शंका है कि दाऊद अपना उत्तराधिकारी तय करेगा। माफिया वर्ल्ड में एक बॉस रहता है और जब तक उसके हाथ पांव चलते हैं, जब तक वो मेंटली और फिजिकली अलर्ट है, तो वो किसी दूसरे को अपने साम्राज्य की जो रेंज है वो हैंडओवर नहीं करेगा। और अगर कभी इस तरह की पॉसिबिलिटी हुई तो मेरे हिसाब से इस पूरे माफिया की बागडोर जो है वो अनीस के हाथ में आएगी और शकील अपनी जगह पे बना रहेगा।
The gangster is likely to remain active in the gang for at least couple of years more and help in the transition. Bureau Report, India Today.